we're getting to the advanced stuff, which is going to be installing the Facebook pixel, which actually isn't that advanced. It actually is easier than all the other stuff that we've done so far. So if you're just tuning in right now and you haven't gone and seen the previous videos on how to install Google Tag Manager on your Investorlift site, how to install Google Analytics and Google Ads, make sure to jump up in the playlist, watch those videos first so you get that work done. Everything we do in this video is going to make a lot more sense. Those videos aren't too long, so go ahead and do that first and then jump back in. But if you've been watching this whole time and now you're getting the Facebook pixel, you're in for a treat, because we're going to do this and we're going to do it really quickly. Not too difficult at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to facebook.com/events_manager2. Okay. It's a weird URL, but that's where you got to go. I could click you through all the different things that you got to do to find this, but it's just, give you the URL. All right. So once you get here, what you're going to want to do is, first of all, make sure you're in the right account. So if you have like different ad accounts or whatever, make sure you are in the right ad account. You can have a personal account. You want to be signing this up in your personal account. You should have a business account with a business ID, or an ad account. And then go into that. That's where we want to be setting up this pixel, because we want to be business expensing this. So what we're going to do is, once we come in here, go ahead and click New Data Source, Web, click Connect, Facebook Pixel, click Connect again, and we're going to House Buyer USA. We'll grab our URL, pop it in here, click Continue, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do, let's see, partner. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to install manually. And we'll do copy code. I don't think we're going to need it. Okay, we don't need that. All we need is this pixel ID here. Okay. So if we just click settings here, we can get the pixel ID right here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go pop over to Google Tag Manager. We're going to click New. And we're going to call this Facebook Page View All Pages. Is going to be the first one I set up. And then under tag configuration, where it says discover more tag types in the community template gallery, click on here. And there's one that's in here that makes this super easy. You just type Google's Facebook, grab this Facebook pixel one, click add to workspace, click add. So install your workspace. All you gotta do is paste in the pixel ID here. Make sure that's at page view. Set your trigger to all pages. And boom, we're now tracking all the page views on that page using the Facebook pixel. Now, what we also want to do is we want to track leads as well. So for leads, we're going to do the same kind of thing. We're going to go to new. We're going to say Facebook new lead. And we're going to do tag configuration. And on this one, what we're going to do is, again, we're going to search for Facebook, grab the Facebook pixel, choose template. And now you'll see, so Facebook has what they call standard events and custom events. You can set up your own custom events if you want. You can even pass variables in here. But what we're going to do is we're going to use just the custom event lead because it fits well. And we're going to pop our pixel ID in there again. And then on the triggers here, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do this trigger, the new lead, but I'm also going to add a secondary trigger for a phone number click, because really that is also a new lead. There's no way to track phone calls really with this, but at least we can track the clicks. That's kind of cool. So there we go. We just installed Facebook on our page. We can go and preview this to make sure that, let's copy our URL to make sure that this is working correctly. Click preview. Our URLs are right there. Click connect. And this is going to open our preview window. And I thought I white labeled this. Why does it keep on resetting? We'll go under settings, apply changes, refresh this. So my pop-up blocker blocks a lot of cookies that interfere with tracking. As a marketer, I know how to do the tracking, but sometimes you don't want people to track you. Yeah, it's still blocking. Why is it blocking? Settings. I got it on here twice. It's still blocking. Why is it blocking? All right, I am just going to remove this. I'll add it back after, just so we can get this done properly. So let's go retry, connect, refresh. This should now connect. Come on. Why are you not working? Let's try this one more time. We'll go ahead and click preview. Put our URL, click connect. Let's go open that seller site. There we go. Finally, I don't know what was going on there. It's probably something with my pop-up blocker. So there you can see the page view all pages is firing. And let's just move this over to another tab here. And what we'll do is we'll just make sure that I know it's going to fire right, but you guys should always test everything. I've done this a million times, so it's pretty easy for me. But I used to screw it up a lot when I first started. So I'll click Get My Offer, and then boom, we'll see that Facebook new lead pixel just fire right there. So everything is working perfectly. We now have Google Tag Manager installed, Google Analytics installed, Google Ads installed in the Facebook pixel. I think I'll probably do one more video on this on how to install Bing. So I think maybe I'll do that next for anyone that wants to also do Bing Ads. Bing Ads is great because it's an older demographic, older audience. Which is really our customer segment, because we primarily serve people that have equity in their house and want to cash out on that equity. So 21-year-olds don't really have that. So Bing is really excellent. So I'll try to cover that in the next video, but hopefully you enjoyed this. You're able to successfully install Facebook on your page, and now are able to use Facebook as one of the many tools in your marketing toolkit. So thanks for joining us, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.